Sugar-free fizzy drinks, are they as bad as sugar-filled ones? I've heard some people say that they are. It depends on what you're...
Sucralose ones?
Yeah, it depends on if you're talking about
Coke?
like artificially sweetened, which probably she is.
Well, like a stevia soda is naturally sweetened.
So a stevia is a natural sweetener, so that would be like on the okay list.
We like the Zevia sodas.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. I think if you're talking about like Diet Coke, Diet Sprite, stuff like that, I do think that those could be maybe not equally as harmful as the sugary ones.
It's so hard to say because the artificial sweeteners haven't been around enough for the studies to be conclusive on, like, in 30 years, if you had diet soda for 30 years, this is what's going to happen to you. Because the studies haven't been around that long enough yet. I don't drink soda at all, like sugar-filled soda, but if I do have an energy drink and I had a choice between a sugar-filled energy drink or an artificial sweetened one, I do choose the artificial sweetened one.
Right.
It's because, yes, I don't want to have the sugar in me, but it's also because I find the sugar, I don't like the taste of the sugar. It's too overwhelming for me. We don't have a conclusive answer to it, but if you're on a fat loss plan and you have to have these sweetened drinks that are...
Well, the answer is you don't have to.
Yeah, but if you like,
but if you feel like you have to.
Yeah, if you feel like you have to, I would go the 0-calorie ones as opposed to drinking a full sugared.
And we would also recommend that you slowly wean yourself off of that habit because honestly, either way, whether it's sugar-free or sugar, it's just not good.
But I mean, like I said, go with the stevia flavored one.
Go with the stevia.
It's a couple pennies more.
Close replacement.
But it's
you won't even miss like diet soda if you can just have the stevia soda instead. But obviously not every day. Hopefully you can just have that once a week.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.